Just found these wasps. They were obviously robbing from the beehive. This must be one of the weaker ones, so I've just had to close off the entrance, and because I saw a few wasps, and look at them all, how many of them have obviously been coming in and out of this hive, stealing the honey. It's a weaker colony. The one with the red you can see is stronger. I've just left that open marginally because they can fight off the wasps, but when the hive is weak, they really can't defend against the constant barrage of the wasps. So it's a good job that I came down here, otherwise I possibly would have lost this. So keep an eye out. You can see here they're getting in at the top as well. Nature, hey? Won't go into this one on the right, the red one. Good job I got here.